Welcome to our water lab. Today, we have a big question. Will it sink or will it float? Wow, a water spirit.
I love this game. I've brought some treasures from the land. You must guess if they sink or float. First, a green leaf. What do you think? Sink or float?
It looks very light. I think it will float. Float! Float, 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 float! It floats! We were right!
Correct. The leaf is light and full of air, so it floats on top of the water. Next object. A heavy rock. What is your prediction?
The rock is heavy. It will sink.
I agree. It will definitely sink.
The rock is heavy. It will sink.
I agree. It will definitely sink.
It sank. We were right again.
Last one. This one is tricky. A boat. What do you think?
Boats are made to be on the water, so we think it will float. Hooray! Hooray! We're science champions! Science experiments are so much fun!
Subscribe to join our next magical experiment. Bye-bye!